Hey guys, back here in, oh, were they just, those two pigeons were doing something naughty then. I'm in a park in the middle of Sydney here, and I just noticed all these birds were just, hang on, let's go this way. Can you see all those birds just sitting there? Pigeons, seagulls, and they're all sort of, I don't know what they're doing. They're all just not doing anything. Are they sleeping? I don't know. There's some ibis. There's some more over there. Yeah, look at that pigeon there. It must just be. This must be the bird chill out zone. Oh, it looks like someone's feeding them too over here. Oh, maybe they're stuffing themselves with food, and then they're all just in a, you know, a food coma. Yeah, sucking up the good life. All right, let's continue on.